In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys five side hustles that you can make. You can make good money every single day. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. Do you know that there are some websites that can pay you to read books? I'm telling you, you read books and then you get paid for it. Yeah, so if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and introduce yourselves. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate you all from the depths of my heart. God bless you. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways to make money that no one is willing to share. 5 ways to make money from the comfort of your home. If this is something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to introduce yourselves in the comments. I want to know you. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a content creator here on YouTube. I drop 3 to 4 videos every week, so make it a day to join me. If you have not joined the family yet, what are you waiting for? On this channel, we share all things money, various ways to make money that no one is talking about, nobody is willing to share to you guys. These are tested and trusted ways to make money. It's not just one kind of random copy and paste ways to make money. These are ways that I have actually tried by myself and I'm willing to share with you guys on my channel for free. Yes. See this channel as a safe place, as a safe space. There are no stupid questions. If you have any question for me, please ask any question in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. So without further ado, let's just go right into today's topic. Come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. In case you're asking, are there jobs that actually pay you to read books? Yes. Guys, this is one of the easiest ways to get paid to read books. There are actually a variety of companies that will pay you for your thoughtful reviews. So if you're a prolific reader, guys, this can be a nice way to pick up some extra money regularly. And here are some websites where you can actually make money reading books. Number 1 is audiobook. Yes, so Audiobook Creative Exchange, ACX. So Audiobook Creative Exchange is one of the most popular platforms that pay people to read books aloud. Yes, so they pay you to read books aloud. Voices, spoken. Another website is voices.com. Another website is spoken.com. Yes, Spoken Realms. Another one is Voice Jungle. Yes, as well as VO Planet and then Mandy Voices. Yes, so guys, so you can actually sell. Another way to make money is to sell Canva templates. Yes, you can actually sell. This is a fantastic way to make money passively. You can be sleeping and somebody is buying your templates, they are downloading the templates and then you are getting paid for it. Yes, you can actually do this from the comfort. So guys, selling Canva templates online can be an incredibly lucrative revenue stream for content creators across niches. So making a steady income by selling Canva templates is not as hard as you might be thinking. You can actually use Canva for just about anything and everything nowadays to put things together. Put together presentations, create business proposals, design social media posts, make event invitations, and even generate marketing materials. But did you know that producing and selling your own Canva templates is a great way, one of the great ways to build your financial portfolios? Yes, and there are 3 main reasons why selling Canva templates is actually worthwhile. Do you know that it can be a great source of income? So whether you want to make a little extra money on the side or you want to turn it into a full-time job, you can actually start selling your templates on Canva. It actually lets you hone your design skills and share your creativity with a wider audience. Guys, you may end up expanding your business in ways that you would never have thought before. Yes, you haven't thought about these ideas before. So there are lots of content creators and entrepreneurs that can start making a one-off Canva template that turns into a much bigger and more exciting project over time. It's also worth mentioning that even though there are already many Canva templates out there, including the ones that the platform allow you get for free, see, the demand for these digital downloads is still very, very incredibly high, and many people use them regularly. So the most important thing is to keep in that you should keep in mind if you want to successfully sell Canva templates is to produce unique products that are not widely available on the market and solve a problem or serve a need for a specific customer niche. So passive income generates passive income and expand the digital products that you offer. Another way to make money is through furniture flipping. Yes, so in case you're asking, is furniture flipping profitable? Hey, guess what? You can make a fortune. Yes, from flipping furniture. You can actually Buy furniture for cheap, maybe on Facebook Marketplace, and revamp it, change the color, spray it, paint it, and resell that same furniture and make crazy money. I'm telling you. So just so you know, a furniture flipping business can be incredibly profitable, and it's a great way for you to earn some extra cash, on the side, even replace your current income. Yes, you can restore and resell used furniture, and it's an excellent means to build up capital to start your own e-commerce business. The fifth business is to become a personal chef. Yes, do you know that you can become a caterer? You can even cater for people from the comfort of your home. You can start small and start selling. I mean, I've mentioned it so many times on this channel that I sold food when I was in grad school. I mean, as a caterer, yes, I catered for people. Yeah, at the time when I was in grad school, and I sold a plate of food for $100. I sold one plate of food for $100. So you don't want to miss it for anything. I'm telling you. So if you want to make money selling food, just display. Tell your family and friends, hey, I now have a tray of this, a tray of rice, fried rice, a tray of jollof rice, 3-liter bowl of soup, 5-liter bowls of soup. That way you start making money without waiting for someone to dash you money, or start waiting for someone to, to post you or turn you into something you don't know. You can actually make money from the comfort of your home. Make cool cash. Yes. I mean, as long as you're not lazy, you can make money. I'm telling you. And like I always say on this channel, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. I mean, it's a different thing if you didn't know where to look, but now somebody is pointing you to the direction and you're saying, I don't feel like doing it. No, you don't have a choice. If you're broke, you don't have a choice. And on this channel, I'm encouraging everyone to start looking at side hustles. I mean, when I was working in the bank, I was making my salary one day from my side hustle. So you need to start looking into making bit by bit. From there it grows, and before you know it, become a business mogul. Like I always say, I'm your business mogul. On this channel, I'm here to share with you various ways to actually make money. Yes. And I also shared how to make money for free. Yes, I made a video on how to get money from rich people. There are some websites where the rich actually dash you money. So whether you have medical expenses, medical debts to cater for, or you have some students loans that you need to pay up, or you have some, you want to start a business, or you need funding for it. Yes, these are websites where the rich actually, will dash you money. If you need me to put the link in the comments, let me know as well, and I can also put the link right here. But just in case the link is not here, guys, let me know in the comments. If you want me to put the link there, it's there. And I also shared various websites, platforms where you can actually get free money, grants. And if you want to see more of grants videos on my channel, let me know, and I will be more than happy to share with you ways to actually get free money. Yes, grants are actually free money that you do not have to pay back, unlike loans that you have to pay back with interest in most cases. But for grants, you do not have to pay back. If you want me to make such videos on this channel, let me know. I'm here working for you guys day and night. So let me know if you want to see more of such content on my channel. And just so you know, there are no stupid questions on my channel, so feel free to always ask your questions. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Yes, so because like I said, I'm working for you guys. You guys are my orgas. So what am I doing if I'm not working for you guys? All right, if this video has been a blessing to you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video with your friends. I mean, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Mariah has got you covered right here on this channel. In my next video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways to make money that no one is willing to share with you. No one is willing to tell you about these amazing ways to make money. So turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out, and make sure that you also check out my previous videos on how to make money online. I shared lazy ways to make money. I'm telling you, you can get paid to just sleep in your house, maybe for 2 hours or 3 hours, and show them the results. Yes, I shared weird ways to make money, lazy ways to make money, websites where the rich actually dash you money, and then grants. Grants are free money, yeah, that you can apply for. Yeah, if you want to see more of grants videos, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm working for you guys. So yes, if this video has blessed you, please subscribe to this channel. In case you have not joined this family, subscribe to my channel, like this video, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, share this video with your friends and your loved ones, the people that you cherish in your life, people in your circle, people in your church, your mosque, your your choir members and your village members, as well as your enemies. Yes, we want them to win real big. Yes, also that they'll stop beefing you. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video, but till then, keep winning and keep sparkling. And if no one has told you today, let me be the first to tell you that you are amazing, and I'm super proud of you. All right, guys, take care of yourselves. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.